Hello mga ka-shoppers, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng Solar Street Light Heavy Duty 5,000 watts Model X BW with sensor, pwedeng wall lamp or pwedeng post lamp. Complete package, complete accessories. Included ang kanyang solar light at metal light arm. And of course, 380 LED chips, 6 voltage 30 watts panel, 556mm by 254mm ang sukat. And of course, included ang smart remote control with batteries, bolt and nozzle screw. Magugustuhan nyo to mga ka-shoppers dahil 100% free lightning, solar power, and zero electricity bills. Super bright or maliwanag magdamag, 10 to 15 hours runtime rain or shine. Plus mga ka-shoppers, smart remote control, adjustable ang brightness 30% to 100%. Siyempre ang timer 2 hours, 5 hours to 8 hours. And of course mga ka-shoppers, durable for outdoor lighting. Pwedeng mabasa, naka IP67, proven and tested waterproof. Napaka-convenience at practical gamitin mga ka-shoppers. 5-minute setup, napakadaling i-install. No wiring needed. At ito pa mga ka-shoppers, meron siyang sensor. Hanggang 120 degrees ang kaya niyang ma-detect and within 25 seconds na wala siyang ma-sense any movement sa kanyang paligid, automatic mamamatay ang kanyang ilaw. Upgrade your nights with free energy mga ka-shoppers. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Check out now. Thanks for watching!